ano.
Sige.
Tama raw yan, di ba?
Tama, sirap yan, sirap. Ay, girap.
Zebra!
Sibra.
At least ang giraffe eh. Ari, laki na rin.
Ano yan?
Please press the return button.
Isa?
Now let's
Alin?
begin watching the elephants.
Ano yan? Ang haba ng sungay.
Ba yan ano?
Down the lake on your left
Reindeer.
side, there are many islands.
Hindi, ito. Ang haba ng sungay.
OMG.
On your
Nakakatakot.
right,
Kaya nga bawal magbukas ng
rhinoceros.
Kasi yung
pinagtana.
sungay nila.
There are only 2,000 Indian rhinoceros living in the wild, and about 10 rhinoceros in Japan Zoo. They are very rare. Our rhinoceros is a young male and was born in 2014. His name is Champ.
Ay, ano to? Tama, ano?
Tama raw?
Grows
Ha?
about 2 meters in height.
Saan?
Ay, ito totoo. Ayun o.
5 times.
Hippopotamus.
They're known to be the largest
Hippopotamus yan. Oo, kuya. May gigawa, kuya. Oh, ate Ann.
Hindi ko-
Picture nyo.
Hindi ko ma-
have one horn. But a newborn rhinoceros
Hindi ko makita
has no
masyado.
horn, and it gradually grows out. Please take a look at the ones with large crescent-shaped horns on their heads, which look like a cow, is the Asian water buffalo.
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 Carabao sa atin yun eh.
Ayun sa tubig o.
Usually bathing in the
Puro lumot.
during the hot times in summer.
Buti hindi sila nag-aaway, no?
Their large horns are used
Ay, naglakad ng pa mo. Ayun o, naglakad siya. Ayun o, ayun o.
hollow inside
Oh, laki!
into the water.
Ba't dito sa side ko wala? Ayan yung ano. Ayan na yung ano. Ano yan?
Sibra.
Sarap? Ano yung sarap? Kuya, sarap! Sarap! Okay, sarap! Sarap! Sarap!